it's William, and yes, you're back in the studios with Riverstone Life, and what do we have for you today? We have this fancy cot. Yes, it's a cot for camping. I think it's pronounced ATORPOK, and they make cots, but they make them where you can actually purchase different size paddings. So here's the padding that we got. Let's just get it on here for you. And we went with one a little more comfortable. I mean, we've been using this now for a few months. I've used it. Robin's used it. We've used it in our sunroom. We've used it camping. My grandson just took it camping with the Boy Scouts, and he just slept on it for the last 4 nights. I'm gonna throw a little video of him camping with it on there. But this is just a little product that folds all up. You don't have to do nothing to it. It just folds right up and it goes in its case. I mean, it's just a little pack like that. It fits all right, fits in there real nice. And you can throw it in your car, your truck, and have it in case you're going camping or you're staying at somebody's house. Just thought it'd be a quick little review, show you this product. We love this product. It's got a place there where you can throw your phone and stuff in it at night so you don't have things laying on the ground. But other than that, just a quick little review, not a whole lot to talk about. They offer 3 or 4 different size pads. You can get a thinner one, thicker ones. I think this was the medium sized one that we went with. But if you need a cot, you don't want to be on the floor in your tent, or you're camping, or you're just lounging, or a lot of times we use it in the sunroom. It's great for the sunroom. Yeah, it's just nice. I'll lay down and take a nap there today. You don't want to see that. Robin will have everything down in the description.
This bed is really comfy and it's nice. Cot. It's so comfy and I'm gonna have the best night's rest ever.
And see, I use it all the time. This is a very nice cot. As you can see from my grandson, he was on his 4-day camping trip. He's used this thing probably more than anybody else here. But yeah, I just like to just kick back, relax. I mean, it's very comfortable. It's very affordable. I think it's on sale for less than $80 right now on Amazon. I think it even shows it with this exact cushion that we have. So, you know, go down in the description below and check it out. If you're looking for something like this, you won't be disappointed. And how do we end these videos? Always.